Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you a few ways to transfer money from RBC to another bank online. Now the first option is to go directly online. You need to log onto your RBC account and select the account you want to transfer money from. Now on the e-transfer form, you're going to enter the recipient's email. If you're sending funds to another bank account in your name, you need to enter the email address attached to that account. Next, you're going to enter the amount of money you want to transfer to the other bank account. Now, if the other bank you're sending money to isn't set up for auto deposit, you'll have to create a security question and answer for the money to deposit. Now, if you're sending money between two bank accounts in your name, it is advisable to set up both accounts with auto deposit to make transfer quicker and easier to complete. After verifying all the information is correct, you can click on the send money option. The second alternative is using a mobile app. Now, to transfer funds from your RBC account through your mobile banking app to another bank, here are a few things to take note of. On your mobile device, you need to open your mobile banking app and tap on Move Money option in the navigation bar. Next, you're going to select Interact e-Transfer and select the account from which you'd like to send your funds. Then you need to enter the email address or the mobile number of the recipient. Then enter the amount you want to transfer to the other bank account. Now, if you'd like to make future transfers more quicker, you need to set up auto deposit on both accounts and create a security question and answer for authentication. These are the two ways in which you can send money from RBC to another bank account online.